Every homeowner dreams of having a roof that stands the test of time, something durable, beautiful, and low maintenance. But with so many materials available, the question is, what roof material truly lasts the longest? At Barry Roofing and Solar, serving Riverside and Orange Counties since 1994, we've helped thousands of homeowners choose the right roof for their homes. From asphalt shingles to tile, metal, and flat roof systems, the right choice depends on your climate, budget, and style. Asphalt shingles remain the most affordable option, lasting around 15 to 20 years in Southern California. They're easy to repair, but frequent replacement may be needed. On the other hand, metal roofing is incredibly durable, lasting 40 to 70 years, while also reflecting heat to reduce cooling costs. Tile roofing, whether clay or concrete, is often the winner when it comes to longevity. With proper installation and maintenance, tiles can last 50 to 100 years, and they bring timeless beauty to your home. Flat roofs, often used in modern styles, can serve well for 20 to 30 years, but require careful maintenance and proper drainage. Beyond lifespan, each material offers unique benefits. Some improve energy efficiency by reflecting heat, others provide fire resistance, and certain options can dramatically enhance the style of your home. Choosing wisely not only secures your roof's durability, but also impacts your comfort and energy savings year after year. Of course, longevity doesn't rely on material alone. Installation quality, weather conditions, roof shape, and routine maintenance all play critical roles. That's why Barry Roofing and Solar emphasizes expert installation, annual inspections, and strong warranties, like our Platinum Protection Warranty, to protect your investment. So, which material is right for you? In Southern California, tile and metal roofing often deliver the longest lifespans, but asphalt shingles and flat systems can be great fits depending on your needs. What matters most is working with a trusted contractor who ensures your roof is built to last. Since 1994, Barry Roofing and Solar has been committed to helping homeowners protect their biggest investment, their homes. Whether you're looking for durability, efficiency, or style, we're here to guide you toward the best roof for your future. For a roof that lasts decades, not just years, trust Barry Roofing and Solar. Contact us at 951-905-5116 to schedule your consultation and discover the right roof for your home.